welcome back. Day 3. So, got most of the dash together yesterday. Still finishing up some stuff, obviously. But the biggest change is this. So, Matt was taking out the windshield yesterday because why not? Because we're trying to bedline it. And a corner of the bedliner peeled up. And we're like, well, that's odd. So we started peeling on this thing. This bedliner is like, it almost feels like plasti dip, but it is bedliner. It's the weirdest thing ever, but it's flexible. So you can literally run your hand underneath it and peel off the bedliner. So it's kind of satisfying. You can peel it all up. So we've been peeling it up, which saves us a ton of time and not having to sand it. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with it. It's primered, but they didn't sand before they put the bedliner down. And then the bedliner is also super flexible. I've never felt anything like that before. So we have no idea what is going on and what their thought process was. But they obviously had the hood off because they painted the whole cowl piece and primed it. So no telling. But I'm gonna continue peeling and getting a dash back together today. All right, so after lunch now, dash is completely done. It looks awesome. Everything works. So everything works in there, including that factory radio. Dash lights up, all the stuff turns on, everything works as it should. The kids are here today, so they've been peeling across the bottom of it even more. So now pretty much the entire truck is peeled off, minus like the hood and the roof, because I haven't got up there. But it's up on the lift now, obviously, and I've started adding the bumper. As you can tell, it has a massive gap because this thing has a body lift on it, courtesy of Boat Rollers. It looks about a 2-inch maybe. Yeah, that's a 2-inch. So I'm not a fan of body lifts, so I got to figure out what was done to add the body lift. I don't know if they did steering or anything. If they did anything with steering, which highly unlikely, honestly. So we're going to go through now and take the body lift off of it. So one, it's going to help the bumpers. Could weld to the bumpers, make them higher, but the rear bumper would be kind of a pain as well. Not a huge fan of body lifts again, and these bumpers didn't have an option to order them with the body lift. Rear bumper would be the hardest thing to modify to get it to fit, and I just don't want to do that because I want it sitting low. So what we're gonna do now, instead of cutting this whole front suspension here off, which was my plan, was to test fit the bumpers and then cut everything off the front. Now I get to spend time messing with rusty bolts to take the body lift off of her. So yay me. So I'll be back when that's done, probably at 5 o'clock, because it's like 1:30 now. So I'll be back. All right, so body lift is now off. The bumper actually fits like it should now, which is awesome. I already showed you the interior, but what we've done is we've got the rear bumper on as well. So took the factory rear bumper and tow bar off, and we have a rear bumper on. Don't worry about how that's fitting right now. It's just on there loosely. It will sit up like that. We just got bolts ran through the frame because obviously bumper bolt on, it's not going to interfere with anything, so I don't have to worry about any of that. We'll send that off to powder coat. It's kind of the point of putting that bumper on, is so I could see if it was going to interfere with anything I have to do. Same thing with the front. It's not going to interfere with anything I have to do. So front bumper will get taken off and sent to powder coat. I'm kind of contemplating on adding a little hoop up front here. Not a stinger, but just a little grill protection. I don't know. We'll see. I kind of like it minimal, so we're probably just going to run with that. And then the sliders, those will get welded on, so I'll paint those after the fact. So now we know those fit. Those will come back off sometime and get sent to powder coat. But that is it for me. It is after 5. Again, this thing's done. See you guys later. Bye.